Anyway, it's okay if you're not yet. So at least my laptop can rest my live. Amping kanunay, pagaling ka. Bitaw day, oy. Hi, Nora. It's Karina. Oh, Karina, how are you? Yes. Why you use other channel? Other name, Nora? It's Karina. Good night, sister. 3:31 a.m. morning time, but sleep, sister. Oh my God. Okay. You better sleep. Good night, Hawaii Comedy Song. Thank you, my friend. See you around in your channel, so your live, so I can support later, oh? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Give support, sister. 9496 subscribers. Yes. Ang dami naman niyang subscribers. Buti pa siya. Yahoo, everyone. What's your favorite fruit? Cherry. I like cherries. Sana all. Kaya nga eh. Grabe, daming ano. I like lychees. Yes, that's yummy also. Kung kailan naman ako hihinto, tsaka naman nag-11 ng ano. Pastilan, Ginoo. My channel also monetized day 27 to 25. Really? Wow, congrats! YouTube company gave me also. Yes, congratulations, Hawaii Comedy Song. You're monetized. Good. Ayan. Belmangs is clapping to you. Congratulations. Yes. Very good. I delete. Who's that? Is that short? I delete myself. Why? No, don't delete. I want 10,000 subscribers in my channel. Oh my God. Yeah, but you're almost there. Don't delete. You need to be monetized. You can apply now. The 10,000 subscriber, you can reach that soon. Even if, yeah. I play one video, sister. This is reason. Oh, that is a reason. Okay. Ambot, oy, bahala ka dyan. Hi, Aramia, thank you, and Lilhimi. Yes, it's okay, why? It's up to you, that is your decision. Okay? I respect your decision. So, yeah. Yes, sister, YouTube company gave 27 to 25. This February 27. Huh? Yeah. Again, apply. Okay, good. Thanks so much, sister. Good night. Yes, thank you. Good night, guys. Thank you very much, ha. Tita Rose, na-miss ko yaw-yaw mo. Kaya nga. Alam mo ba kanina, kasi natakot na ako kasi 2 days na akong hindi nagla-live. Kasi sabi ko, hindi pa ako gumaling. Ngungu pa rin ako konti, pero medyo okay naman na. Yun nga lang, sabi ko, pag puyat pa ako ng puyat, wala na yun talaga. Baka abutin pa ako ng ilang linggo bago gumaling. Kaya sabi ko mag-live na lang ako kahit 1 oras lang, okay na yan. Para hindi lang ako ano tawag dito? Mabakante. Di ba? May nakalimutan